Whispers from the Brighter World, Beloved Master, Revered Babuji Maharaj, Friday, May 18th, 2001, 8:30 a.m. No, the source has not dried up. What makes you think so? You were to ease your mind for our dialogue to start. We have not run out of arguments. The teaching we are trying to give through these messages must be accessible to all. When the floodgates of true knowledge have been opened, each of you can then try to get complementary information. We guide you and inspire you for that. We must remain within the limits that we have set for ourselves, our comments. When consciousness opens up to reality, useful information unfolds. The most important part of the work having been done, it is then enough to give the appropriate food that deepens the way already mapped out. Additional elements of esoteric knowledge are provided to you in due time if necessary. Some souls, completely detached from this form of teaching, glide over formulas and images. They feed themselves only with the divine essence. When you have reached this level, you will need no book related reference. You will be beyond words and details concerning the history of creation. The thirst for knowledge you are experiencing is commendable. It is a critical milestone in your progress. When the time has come, we will lead you far beyond into a kingdom of beauty and knowledge currently inaccessible to you. Continue on your way with all our encouragements and our blessings. Babuji Maharaj. Same day at 10 a.m. We are satisfied. Not only is the harvest abundant in terms of the writings accumulated, but we can also assess their effects on the few privileged people who have access to them. The test is largely conclusive, shall we say, using the vocabulary in fashion in your world where everything is subjected to tests, contests, and other means of selection. The circumstances were such that, and that was not pure coincidence as you conceive it. This selection took place. Each of you must become a torch. What you receive must be shared with persons around you. The necessary means are there. Each one of you has his own personality and can express himself accordingly. Wasn't it said that light should not be hidden under the bushel? You should firstly assimilate this knowledge and immerse yourself in it before disseminating it. Everything in its own time. At the proper time, inspiration will come which will make you act spontaneously. Continue to feed yourself with these messages. You won't always keep this asset for yourself. It will manage to manifest itself. Babuji Maharaj.